Hey there everybody, Maria Marquis here. In this video, we're going to take a look at the summarize database pattern. This is great when you have two tables that talk to each other and you want to pull in a summary of information in that table that you're relating to. So one of the most common ways that I see this being done is with tasks or goals, kind of whenever you have a hierarchy of information. So step one in your summarized database pattern is to create a relation, which I've already set up here. We've got our initiatives and then our goals. So all I need to do is link these together. I'm going to go ahead, click right here. I'm going to choose to add a relation. We're going to have this be our goal table. Ta-da! I'm going to go ahead and just say, great, this is for that one. This is for goal number 2. This is for goal number 3. And then just for the sake of speed, I'm going to do a quick copy paste on everything else here. Nice. Perfect. So we have our relation. So now we can do some fun summaries using this row. And that is step number 2, using this row to create that summary. For example, maybe I want to see how many tasks are completed across each of these goals. Well, I'll just add a nice little column here for myself. We'll say completed tasks. I'm going to say equals and say, hey, Coda, look at that all projects table for me. Then I want to filter where the name, we call it the initiative name in there. Initiative name is equal to the name in this table. And notice we're seeing green and pink. So it's a nice little double check there for me. And I'm also interested in if the status, let's see, the stage, there we go, is equal to done. And then I want to count it. So notice here we're showing how this is progressing by having our little filter and making sure it's connected to this row by using that handy little this row formula. So now that I have that relation set up, I can start to do some formula magic to make this database pattern of summarize come to life, because step 2 is using this row for that summary action. So let's say that I want to know all of the tasks for each of these goals that are currently done. I'm going to go ahead, add a column for myself. Ta-da! We'll call it completed tasks. And now we'll go in here and we'll say equals. Hey, Coda, look at that all projects table for me. Then I want to filter where the goal is equal to this row and the stage is equal to done. Then I'm going to count it so I get that nice clean number. When I press enter, we've got it right here and we can see how we're progressing across the board. So that this row formula allows us to do the summary of that bigger table in this table that's higher up the hierarchy. So now it's your turn. Take a look at how your data relates. Find opportunities to use this row to make a little bit more sense and summarize that big mound of data. I'll see you next time.